Welcome to the channel. Today I've got a top tip, no reviews, but I have a tip for you as to how I sometimes enjoy my videos and how I use my computer. And sometimes I was a bit frustrated in terms of trying to learn something on YouTube, and then I have to go to the program, try and replicate what I'm learning, and have to pause between program, YouTube. It's a bit frustrating. So I found something that helps quite a bit. So what I have is picture-in-picture extension by Google Chrome. So you go to this website over here. This is the URL, and you can download this. You can also do it in Edge, and in Edge you can just, I don't have it installed yet, so it's the same, it's just in Edge, same as Chrome, it's just in Edge. So you can just add to Chrome, it will ask you, do you want to install the extension by Chrome, and you add the extension. Once you've added it, it appears like that, little square with a square inside, and it's also there visible in your extensions. If you want to access it and see where it is, it's over there. You can also pin it to hide it or remove it, and also keep it up on top. So what can we do with this? Sometimes when you're watching a video, the video is playing and you have to switch between Excel and the video. It's you have to pause. So it's a bit frustrating. YouTube also has this little button here, multitasking, so that can play there. But when you go into your Excel video, voila, she's gone. So how do we fix that? Pop that out. Continue playing the video. Let's say we are there, and then I'll click picture in picture. Once I've clicked picture in picture, I can go to, there we go, and it's playing. So you can resize this, you can move it around wherever you are working, and it's still moving. The only thing you don't have is you don't have fast forward, you don't have rewind, you don't have any ability to control the direction, but you can pause it. So you can pause the screen. What's also nice, so we'll leave that continuing to play, you can do other things as well. You can go to your desktop. You can go to your desktop. You can even play a movie. So that's still playing. You can resize it there as well. Move it out the way. Ain't that cool?
First of all, this is a terrific presentation.
Thank you. So it's still over there. The only thing that you can't do with it is you cannot be widescreen. Once you go widescreen on this, it's gone. So then you won't have it. So if you run into that problem, don't panic, don't get nervous. Just minimize it, have it normal so you can have your action buttons on top, whatever you call them, and you're good to go. So don't panic when you don't see that. Minimize that, and that's it, I think. Is there anything else I need to tell you about it? Well, if you need to have another look, that's the page. I'll link the description or the website URL in the description. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope I helped you learn something cool and new. Please subscribe. I'll make more videos like these. I'm out.